Hi people, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is BizLift and this is BizLift NG. Welcome to this YouTube channel. We basically talk about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We talk about advertising generally and how you can use advertising platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and every other advertising platform, how you can use them to leverage your business sales and also your growth and visibility. All right, so this video is about how to run ad series that we started a while ago. I actually stopped doing that series because I had some other videos that I wanted to make. But now we're back, and in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how you can run ads as a hair business. Whether you sell hair, whether it's hair care products, this video will be helpful to you. All right, if you are a new subscriber, remember that you need to click the subscribe button and also drop a thumbs up and also let me know where you're watching from. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. Now in this video, like I said, I want to show you how to run ads for your hair business. So whether you are into the hair business or you're into a hair care business, this video would help you a whole lot. So let's jump straight into my laptop where I'm going to show you everything that you need to do. But first, remember that because this is hair, you need to focus a lot on videos that really shows your hair. So you need to do behind the scenes videos of your hair on a mannequin, or maybe somebody modeling your hair. You really need to work with videos like that, or you use a user-generated video of a person who has patronized you before wearing your hair, rocking your hair on different occasions, whether it's to work, whether it's to a casual outing, or whether it's an official outing. Whatever it is that you can get, ensure you can get either a user-generated content like I mentioned, or you can get a behind-the-scene content of either your hair on a mannequin or your hair on somebody, or you're just taking care of your hair, really. And also, one other content that is majorly overlooked by a lot of hair vendors is a content where you're teaching people exactly how to take care of their hair or how they can rock their hair in different kind of outfits. Yes, this type of video also works a lot and also makes people want to buy your product. So you can look into creating videos like this that I just mentioned. Okay, so let's jump straight into my laptop where I'm going to show you exactly all you need to do for your ad, right? So the first thing you need to do is to click the create button. Now, of course, you must be ready with all the things about the content must be ready. So if you have the content ready, then click the create, and then we're going to be running a campaign called the traffic campaign. Yes, I want to show you this particular campaign because it makes a lot of sense, right? So we're going to run traffic campaign. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to be sending traffic to our Instagram profile, right? Because it is important that you send people to your profile. Why is it important? Because as a hair vendor, you have different types of products, you have different types of hair. They are like a whole lot, and you might not be advertising everything at once. So what I would advise you to do is to send people to your profile. Then when they come to your profile, they're able to make their choice on what they want, right? So we're going to be running traffic, and then it will be Instagram profile visit. So I'm going to click traffic, then click continue, then I'll click manual traffic campaign, then click continue. Right now, the next thing I'm going to do is, now here there's the A/B test, right? There's the A/B test here. Now I'm not going to be doing any of these, so all I'm going to be doing is to just click next. All right, so we click next, and it takes us to the Adset level. Now the Adset level is where we were going to be setting up a lot of things about our ads, right? Remember that I said that this advert is going to be to send people to your Instagram profile. So what you want to do is, under conversion, you're going to choose Instagram profile under conversion. So once you choose Instagram profile, automatically that should select your Instagram account. So now for this advert, when it comes to budget for this type of advert, you should be spending so much, but you could be spending anything between 2,000 to 5,000 naira daily, right? Between 2,000 to 5,000 naira daily is a very great budget. So let's say for this ad, I'm going to be doing 4,000 naira daily. Okay, so click 4,000 naira daily, then I'm going to choose an end date. Now for an end date, let this advert run between 15 days at least. 15 days at least is okay for you to run this ad. So 15 days the least that you do. Okay, so once you do that, click you can set an end date, or you just leave it to run continuously and then you stop it after you probably are okay with it. Okay, so the next thing here is to come to it now. Leave the ad scheduling and the budget scheduling, just leave that alone. Now we're going to come to the location here. Now I want to advise you to choose locations where you know you will get results from. Do not use Nigeria as a whole. Don't use the country as a whole. Pick out cities where you know that your ad is going to get maximum results from. So for this particular one, I'm doing Lagos and Abuja. Okay, so I type Lagos and Abuja, then I come down here, and then I'm going to be switching to original audience options. You can see it here. Switch to, so you click on that, it will switch your advert to the original audience options, not the one that Facebook has now created or the updated one. So use the original one. Change the age between 23 and now this depends on the type of product or hair that you are selling. There are certain products or hair that cost a lot of money. So if it's that, you can do between 25 and 45. But if it's the one that is averagely for young people that young people can pay for, you can do 23 and 45. It's a good age range. Okay, so gender, of course, is women alone. Okay, so women alone is the gender. Now when it comes to the detail targeting, this is where we have quite a bit of work to do. The detail targeting. Now what you need to do in the detail targeting is to specify the people that you would be targeting with this ad. Now because this is about hair, we're going to start with hair extensions. This is basically about hair, so we're starting with hair extensions. Then we click on suggestions and we'll see a lot more. So wig is part, lace wig, right? Hairstyle, hair care, hair products. There's also long hair. Hair straightening can be part of your target. There can also be beauty salons. You can also have, now we've had enough, we have enough of hair related. Now we can add a bit of luxury just to ensure that these people can afford our items. So I'm going to do luxury vehicle. I'm going to also do nightclub, because these are some of the people that also buy a lot of hair. Nightclub. I'm also going to do parties. Okay, then you could also do luxury goods. You know, just add a bit of luxury to it. So this interest would definitely work for you if you use them. Okay, so once you're done with this, the next thing is to choose your placement. Now because the advert we're doing is a traffic advert that is going to our Instagram profile directly, we do not need to select change placement. Automatically the placement will be Instagram, so your advert will only show on Instagram automatically. Okay, so no need to change the placement. Just click next. Right now, once you're done clicking next, the next thing you want to do is to select the post that you want to use. Now instead of creating an ad, you can do existing posts and then pick a post that is already on your Instagram page. Right, just pick a post that is already on your Instagram page, and then once you pick that post, just click continue. That post is going to be there. Of course, I don't have a hair post right here, but of course you get the idea of what I'm saying. So once you're done with this, all you have to do is just publish the advert by just clicking publish here, and then your advert is going to be sent for review, and your advert will be active in, say, between 24 hours at most. Right, so this is exactly how to run your ads if you're a hair vendor or you are somebody who is in the hair business or the hair industry. I hope you've learned a lot. If this video has been helpful, please ensure you subscribe and also leave me a comment and tell me how this video helped you. Thank you so much. I hope you've learned something, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video.